Alright, so today we're going to talk about a thing called perils. Perils are something that you have on a property policy. Actually, you have it on others too, but we're just going to talk about homeowner policies right now. Perils, there's typically two different types of perils, and a lot of times we will refer to it as either open perils or named perils, or we may call it a basic policy, a broad policy, a special policy. Sometimes we'll call it all risk. These are lots of different terms that we as agents throw around that you probably don't understand at all. So let me just help you to understand a little bit and let you know what you need to know. Let's talk about named perils first. It's basically what it sounds like, and what will fall underneath a named peril policy is going to be, it could be a basic policy or a broad policy. Those typically are named peril policies. Named peril basically means exactly what it says. It is a list of perils or things that are insured against, that if this list of things happen, then you've got coverage. Here's the problem with that. The responsibility falls on you to convince the company that this is what happened to your property and that they need to pay you. That's not the best position to be in. Now the other is called open perils or all risk. Now that does not mean that it's going to give you coverage for everything under the sun, but it's a lot broader than the other option. And what it does is it moves the responsibility from you having to prove it to the insurance company having to prove to you that it's not covered. So open perils or all perils basically is this. It basically says, okay, if you have a claim, we're going to protect you for it and we're going to pay for it, unless it's on this list of exclusions. So you see the difference there? One is a list of exclusions, the other is a list of the only things it's covered for. One is much broader, one is much more narrower. One you're responsible for, the other the company is responsible for. It's better for them to have to defend themselves than you to have to prove yourself. So if at all possible, go with the open peril policy. Now, understand something. On a homeowner policy, remember I mentioned before in one of the other videos, is a HO3 and a HO5. Now on a HO3, the house is listed as open perils, but your personal property is listed as named perils. How do you get around this? If you want to get around that, now you may be okay with that, but if you want to try to get around that, you get an HO5. Basically, it's adding a 15 endorsement. Sometimes your agent, they may not know what this is called, or they may not know what I'm referring to. And basically all it is just tell them that you want special perils or you want open perils on your contents as well. And they should be able to do that. If they can't, you just need to reach out to us and we'll make sure to get you connected with that. So ask for an HO5 if you can get it. If you can't get it, there's other options there to potentially get more coverage for those contents items. You may not be able to get it at all, but depending on where you live, but don't be just satisfied with calling your agent and them telling you, yeah, you can't get that here. If you're in the states of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, or Arkansas, reach out to us and I'm pretty sure we probably can get that for you. Can't promise, but I'm sure we could probably can try. So thank you for watching. I hope this is beneficial to you. Reach out to us, text us, email us, call us. We'd be glad to help you out. Reach out to us on our website at reedinsla.com. That's reedinsla.com. Look us up on Facebook. Look us up on YouTube and Instagram and all those other different locations that you can find us. And let me know any way we can help you out. We'd be glad to help you out. Hope you have a good day.